Hi everyone, Richard C. Wilson, Family Office Club. I'm here in Vienna, Austria, and we're hosting a Centimillionaire event for about a dozen clients worth $100 million plus each. And I actually decided to bring my 9-year-old daughter with me, and I wanted to record this video on a topic that we're discussing in the room: next generation planning, grooming the next generation, everything that means. That's part of the reason why I brought her here on the trip, besides just being more fun having her with me. Is that she gets to listen to talks on offshore estate planning, on gold investments, on currency risk, on international real estate, on billionaire best practices and mental models that made these people worth $100 million plus. And I don't expect her to retain more than 5 or 10% of it. But as part of the training, and her being part of our family and just being able to spend some valuable time with her. So we try to do this in a number of ways: bring her on business trips, have her do, if she wants to buy a new iPad, she needs to host a lemonade stand. We'll go to a place with high foot traffic, have her make her own advertising signs, come up with a business name, keep track of the money coming in and out, count the profits, etc. But we also have a book that I've gotten her just for her birthday 2 days ago. My 11-year-old daughter already got this book, and we have read through it once. We read one chapter each morning before school, and I can show you the book here. Maya's actually here right next to me. Hey, Maya. Say hi.
Hi.
She just turned 9 years old, and this is the book. It's called Success Principles by Jack Canfield. It has 67 different chapters, and we're going to be reading one chapter each morning, and it kind of teaches them how to be a successful person. And I read this book once a year, and I tell them, if you follow this book, it's a whole bunch of strategies and shortcuts and cheat codes basically to being successful in life. Yesterday, we recorded a video at the park on the family values. So you might have seen that video already that Maya was in. She's memorized our family values, and we both reward and punish our kids based on living by them. So I just wanted to share this real quick because I think that whether your kids are in college or already 30, 40 years old, or very young, or you don't have kids yet, thinking forward 5, 10, 20 years on what you should be doing so you don't regret not doing it earlier, and being really intentful on this area and intentional in this area is really important. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any questions on other things we're doing to groom our 3 children, or any questions about what a lot of family offices do in this area, then just let me know, reach out, and visit familyoffices.com to learn more. Thank you.
Join the Family Office Club by visiting familyoffices.com. We look forward to seeing you at our next live event.